cold showers, and the benefits of taking that polar plunge every morning. Hi everybody, I'm Nicholas Bennis, and today I'm going to tell you why you should switch over from that boring hot shower you take every day to an invigorating ice-cold shower. Cold showers have benefits on all aspects of your life, including physically, mentally, emotionally, and even intellectually. Of these, cold showers have the most benefit when it comes to your physical health. A cold shower is just what some people need to wake up in the morning, and that blast of cold water increases your oxygen intake, heart rate, and alertness almost instantly, and is sure to make anybody feel wide awake. Cold showers also increase your immune system up to 24%, and it's shown that most people who take cold showers on the regular are practically immune to the common cold. They also increase your circulation throughout your entire body, which overall makes you feel amazing. They can also help with your hair and skin, having great effects, making your hair thicker and more vibrant, as well as clearing up your acne and blemishes on your face, making your skin practically glow. And for all those gym goers out there, if you're looking for a way to get rid of the muscle soreness after a workout, a cold shower is exactly what you need. Cold showers can help reduce soreness of muscles and even help with weight loss. Mentally and emotionally. Cold showers help ease symptoms of stress, anxiety, and depression. So to all the college kids, a cold shower might be just what you're looking for to relieve some of that built-up stress from school and work. As you can see here in this diagram below, stress plus a cold shower equals a calm man. Cold showers decrease cortisol, which is a stress-inducing hormone, which is amazing to help make you feel more positive and overall better throughout the day. Intellectually. Cold showers can help improve your memory and quick thinking skills, and have even been shown to make you feel more confident in your everyday life. Overall, cold showers are an amazing addition to anyone's life who's looking to improve their health or overall well-being. That's all, everyone. Thank you for your time. Now, I hope you yourself go out to try a cold shower, and hopefully it turns your life around like it did mine. Goodbye.